Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English class and I am your teacher Miss Shazeen. So in the YouTube link you have learned what are vowels. Now coming to page number 7 in your English book. Okay, vowels. How many vowels do we have? 5 vowels. And what are they? A, E, I, O, U. Except all these vowels, all the other letters are called consonants. Now come to page number 8. Here we have 3 exercises. In the first exercise, we have to write fill in the missing vowels A, E, I, O, U. Here you have to write the vowels in the sequence. In the second part, you have to write find a suitable vowel to make a word. Now here you have to write a suitable vowel to make a proper word. For example, on number 1 we have B dash T. We have to write a vowel and make a word that has a meaning. For example, if we write A here, so it will make B-A-T, bat. And yes, bat is a word, so A is the correct vowel here. But we can also write E here, B-E-T, bet, because it is also a word. We can also write I here, B-I-T, bit, because bit is also a word. So now it's all up to you which vowel would you like to write here and make a word. Now in this way you have to complete this part 2. Now coming to the third part, find some new 3-letter words to put in the correct columns. Here we have 5 columns and we have vowels written here. For example, in the first column, vowel A. Now we have to write 2 words that has a vowel A in it, but it should be a 3-letter word. So we have to write 2 words that has a vowel A. In the second column, we have to write vowel E, the words 3-letter word that has a letter E in it. And in this way, you have to complete all these 5 columns. For example, in one, you have to write a word with A. In the second column, vowel E. Third column, vowel I. Fourth column, vowel O. And fifth column, vowel U. Now, in this way, you have to complete page number 8, part 3. Alright, now take out page number 9 in your English book. Vowel sound A. Here we have 2 questions. The one is, draw lines connecting to the vowel sound A to the pictures that have the same sound in the middle. Now we have letter A written in the center and on the sides we have some pictures. We have to match only those pictures to letter A that has a vowel A in its spelling. For example, number 1 is bag. And what is the spelling of bag? B-A-G, bag. So we will match bag to the letter A because it has vowel A in its spelling. What are the other pictures? Van, pin, dog, cat, mat. We have to match only those pictures that has a letter A in its spelling. In the second part, fill in the missing letter in each word. The picture is of cap. And what is the spelling of cap? C-A-P, cap. So which vowel will come here? Vowel A. In this way, look at all the pictures and put the correct vowel in all the pictures. Now turn to page number 10. Here we have vowel sound E. Now here we have same questions like page number 9, but we have to match those pictures that has vowel E in its spelling. What is the first picture? 10. What is the spelling of 10? T-E and 10. Yes, it has a vowel E, so we will match it with the vowel E in the center. What are the other pictures? Leg, pen, hand, bib, bag, cup. Now we will have to match only those pictures that has vowel E in its spelling. Now coming to the second part, fill in the missing letter in each word. What is the first picture? Bell. And what is the spelling of bell? B-E-double-L, bell. So now you have to look at all the pictures and put the correct vowel in all the pictures. Coming to page number 11, it is similar to page number 9 and 10, but here we have a vowel sound I. What is the first picture? Wig. What is the spelling of wig? W-I-G, wig. Now we will match wig to the letter I because it has vowel I in its spelling. What are the other pictures? Cat, bin, zip, pin, bad, bed. Now we will match only those pictures that has vowel I in its spelling. Now coming to the second part, fill in the missing letter in each word. What is the first picture? Hill. And what is the spelling of hill? H-I-L-L. Now look at all the pictures and put the correct vowel.